Welcome to our channel. If you want to TD Ameritrade close account, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure everything is properly managed and you achieve the best results. Step 1. Log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the email address associated with your account for confirmation purposes. Step 2. Navigate to the account settings or preferences section. Look for options related to account management or subscription settings. Step 3. Find the option to close, delete, or cancel your account or subscription. This may be under account settings, billing, or subscription management. Step 4. Review any important information about account closure. Understand what data will be deleted and what will be retained according to the privacy policy. Step 5. If you have any active subscriptions or pending transactions, make sure to resolve these first. Cancel any recurring payments to avoid future charges. Step 6. Follow the prompts to confirm your decision. You may be asked to provide a reason for closure or complete a brief survey. Step 7. Complete any final verification steps required. This often includes confirming via email or entering your password to authorize the closure. Step 8. Wait for the confirmation email verifying that your account has been closed or your subscription has been cancelled. Save this email for your records in case of any billing questions. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.